Tarannum, Deepa, Nisa,
Yes, sir.
Chandni,
Yes, sir.
Priyanka. Is Priyanka connected with? Is attending the class or not, Priyanka? No.
I think that no, sir.
Someone named in your batch. Priyanka has only made her attendance in this group, and now she is absent. So now let us see about the. Let us say today's
Sir.
topic is the tomato ring mosaic disease, and this disease is caused by a well-known virus which is known as the tobacco mosaic tomato mosaic virus. This disease, tomato ring mosaic disease, is caused by tomato mosaic virus. ठीक है? And this disease is characterized by a number of symptoms, and these symptoms include, at first, the wrinkling, yellowing of leaf starts. What happens if this pathogen, if the tomato mosaic virus attacks or infect this tomato plant? What will happen? At first, the symptoms appear on the leaf. At first, the wrinkling of the yellow spots, chlorotic spots appear on the leaf. द एज ऑफ द लीफ का जो किनारा होता है वो क्या होता है, उसमें बेंडिंग शुरू हो जाती है. बेंडिंग ऑफ द एज ऑफ द लीव्स, wrinkling of the leaves take place, mottling of the leaf take place, and the other symptoms include the most important symptom also include the stunting of the growth, the growth of the infected plant. The growth of the infected tomato plant by this virus becomes very stunted. The growth is stunted growth, and the first symptom appears on the leaf. And now look at the whiteboard. I am going to describe all the symptoms which appear, symptoms by which this disease. I have written here the various symptoms which take place in this disease. The first symptom is the appearance of the chlorotic spot on the leaf. The second symptom is the wrinkling of the leaf. The third symptom is the mosaic-like spot, mosaic appears in the form of ring. You know that the index of this, why this disease is known as the tomato ring mosaic. You must behind the name of this disease, which is the tomato ring mosaic. There is word ring. The mosaic appears in the form of ring. I have written this the symptom here. The mosaic appear in the form of ring on the leaf, turning down or bending of the edge of the leaves. The fourth symptom is the turning down or bending of the edge of the leaf. Next, a steeper edge. The sixth symptom is of the leaf becomes the surface of the leaf becomes small. The surface of the leaf becomes rough, and the size of the leaf may also be smaller. The stunted growth of the infected plant. If the infection of the tomato plant by this TOMV virus, tobacco mosaic, if the tomato plant is infected by this virus, which is known as the tomato mosaic virus, the growth will become stunted. The pollen sterility will take place. The pollen sterility is one of the very important things. The tomato plant gets infected by this tomato mosaic virus. The pollen grain will become sterile. And you can write the pollen sterility takes place in this disease. Low fruiting, low fruit setting. The fruit formation, the percentage of the fruiting will be very low. Low fruiting, low productivity. If tomato plant is important because the tomato fruits are used. If there is low fruit setting will take place, and low productivity will result. Uneven. This is a very important symptom of this disease. Uneven ripening of the fruit. The fruit will not get ripened uniformly. Rather, there is presence of green and orange and yellowish color on the fruit. and uneven ripening of the fruit takes place. And you know that this disease is also, the symptoms are also affected the or of the environment. These are the major symptoms of this disease, which is known as the tomato ring mosaic. Why this disease is known as tomato ring mosaic? Because the mosaic, what is the meaning of mosaic? The presence of green and yellow patches on the leaf is known as mosaic. Mosaic-like pattern. But in case of this disease, the mosaic appears in the form of ring on the leaf. Therefore, this disease is known as the tomato ring mosaic. The first, again, I am going to repeat this symptom: appearance of chlorotic spot on the leaf, wrinkling of the leaves, mosaic appear in the form of ring, turning down of the edge of the leaves, stiffer edge of the leaves, surface of the leaves become rough, stunted growth of plant, pollen will take place, low fruit setting, productivity, uneven ripening of the fruit. And now let us see the etiology of this disease. Etiology of include pathogen. See the pathogen. This disease, tomato ring mosaic disease, is caused by tomato mosaic virus, and this tomato mosaic virus is a ribovirus, RNA containing virus. This tomato mosaic virus, which has been abbreviated here as TOMV, tomato mosaic virus, is a ribovirus because its genome is made up of single-stranded RNA. This is RNA containing virus, which therefore it is a type of ribovira, and ribovira and SS, the genome of this virus is made up of single-stranded RNA. The size of this virus is 300 nm in length and 182 nm in weight. And this, if the infection takes place, this virus is present in all tissues of the plants, including the pollen, seeds, but not in the embryo. This virus survives on the Solanaceous wheat plant. In the off season, when the tomato is not growing, this virus will remain on the Solanaceous wheat. I think unwanted wheats are unwanted plant. So this is a tomato virus survives on the Solanaceous wheat. Old it also remains in the inactive form in the old infected the plant in the field. How will you control this? What are the control measures of this disease? As far the control measure is concerned, if you want to grow the tomato plant, you must use the virus-free seedlings. This disease can be controlled by using the virus-free seedlings. You can control this disease by eradication or eradicating the mosaic affected plants, those tomato plants which have been infected by this tomato mosaic virus. You must eradicate this such infected plants from the field. All tomato plants should be destroyed after the last tomato. के बाद क्या करते हैं, टोमेटो प्लांट को फील्ड से अप्रूव करके उखाड़ दिया जाता है, फेंक दिया जाता है बाहर. So these are the symptoms of this disease. This is about the pathogen, which is the tomato virus, and this is about the control measure. This is all about the tomato ring mosaic disease, which is a very important disease. Let me know, Deepak.
जी सर. जी सर.